Here we are, Universal Studios, Florida for Mardi Gras. Whoop, whoop. Mardi Gras Tribute Store is open for previews today for both annual pass holders. Let's go check it out. That's what I love about walking into Universal. Hearing the sounds, the screams, the sightlines of New York. Seeing the booths already set up for Mardi Gras, which starts this Saturday. It's gonna be a good time. I'm ready to let the good times roll. And here we are, Mardi Gras Tribute Store. Located right next to the Mummy. Currently undergoing a long refurbishment. Looks like a warehouse that you'd find in downtown New Orleans. Let's check it out. What do you say? Woo! Yeah. Here we are walking into the entrance to the tribute store. See concept art for the tribute store. Masks. Plans. Oh yeah. Crunch Week. Oh, I think that's February. Yeah, maybe for last month. Earl safety tips. Ooh, safety last. That's funny. Oh my god. First room, concepts and ideas. Tribute store, float, factory, and prop warehouse. Coat check. Oh, we got some banners from previous year's Mardi Gras. Our lovely Phantom of the Opera. Universal Legacy Store. I don't know if you know, but this year's theme is Planet Mardi Gras. These are signs from years past. We got some leggings. Those are new this year. Let's see if there's anything on the back of this. Long sleeve shirt. Oh, there is! Check it out. Mardi Gras! Feet don't fail me now. Can you hear the music already playing? Ooh, look how pretty that is. I love the color changing lights and the glasses. These glasses are pretty awesome. Check that out. Mardi Gras logo. That is cool. I like that. Ooh. And of course they got the bigger ones, so for you guys who love hurricanes. And the beer glasses. So this first room is showcasing the concept and artistry of all their different floats. So this concept of tribute store is going to take you through concept artistry to finishing of the float. So this room, got our workers bench, staff only, and of course more merch. Ooh, Grim Reaper. Oh, looks like we got some decals for your car, stickers, wherever you'd like to put them. 4 of Wands. The voodoo dolls are back, and they got smaller decals. Kind of cool. What I do love over here is the molds are back. Woo! Wax Gator. Yes. Shiny. Oh, love this. You can be King Gator, wear his hat. Oh yeah. Jester and Queen, King, whatever you feel like. And then of course we got all the sparkly beads for your service. The official Mardi Gras shirt. Let the good times roll. Of course tank tops. Men's and women's. I love it. Now something I noticed about these hats are pretty awesome. So on the one side it looks like this, but on the other side, because they're reversible, it's all Mardi Gras themed. See? Isn't that awesome? I'm excited about those. Might actually end up buying them. I don't know. What I love in this store though, I like how the store is right next to Mummy, and we got a box over here, dark ride material, skulls, skeletons, silica glass beads. Another Earl safety tip, safety first. And of course, just like any concept art, we always have our crushed dreams. Oh, work on something so hard, go to corporate, they say no. And then up top, we got vampire teeth. But this is what I love right here. Shark food. And of course, box of notes. Earl is somewhere in here. I feel like he's hiding somewhere. I'm gonna walk into our second store, otherwise known as the Fabrication and Build. So we've had our concept art. We know what we're doing. Corporate says yes, and management signed off, and we are going to concept and building. First, we start with the molding. Ooh, got Gator right here. And of course, start with the... Got another mold figurine riverboat. Woo! Oh. Please make sure something is written in this space. Love it. So the great thing about when you're building a float is if you sit here and you cut it, you can cut this fabrication to size so you know what you're gonna need before you keep going. Of course, we got the shawls are back this year.
I was there. And we were begging her to let me go with her.
Ooh, mini skirts, hats, beads. Oh, so cool. All back, everything you know and love. Ooh, they did bring back the candles. Looks like we got candles. Potion Praetorius. Ooh, I wonder what that smells like. So they did partner once again with Magic Candle Company. It looks like we have Potion Praetorius and Full Moon Caravan. Woo! Ow! Plates, masks, and of course, photo ops. I love the bear with the chair. This gives me very, very like Addams Family value vibes, Munsters. I don't know, I'm liking it though, because all the beads and the garland everywhere, so pretty. Garland. Oh, more Earl's tips. Plain jokes only. Okay. I mean, beads. Oh, is that the caretaker's hat I spot? Huh. I wonder. All the masks. Oh, love this. Do y'all remember the tribute store from Halloween? They have, oh, you can't really see it. Oh, it looks so good because they have the signs from Halloween in here. Oh, and it had the mausoleum. Oh, that was like 2 Halloweens ago. Oh, that's cool. I love the fact they saved that. A look back in time at Universal Studios Mardi Gras. So as you transition from room 2 to room 3, all the different years. That's funny. Follow me, the party is this way. I love it.
You're back. You taking video of everything?
Can you find yourself? Oh, see, look at that. Another, right down it. Oh, Sharky. Do you remember these years from Mardi Gras? Is this your first Mardi Gras ever? The costumes, the colors. Oh, look at the King Kong float. Oh, that's awesome. All the different years. When was your first year for Mardi Gras? Do you remember? Let us know in the comments. And of course the food. We'll be going out and showing the food just momentarily. Oh, Islands of Adventure? What? What? Oh yeah. And now in the tribute store, Scenic and Paint Room. So we had our idea, we got it approved, we built it, we're gonna paint it and make it look amazing. So of course we got all the different colors to choose from. And we're starting our build. Box of foam. Oh, wait. I recognize that green foam from Beetlejuice. Hello. Oh, hoodie from Planet Mardi Gras. Lanyards, buttons, mugs. Queen and King shirts. Woo! Alligator Alley. Mardi Gras 1995 celebration. Look at that. To 2016. I love the fact they hide things like that in these stores. All the different years. Look how, oh, look at that glitter. So pretty. Oh, they have, there's your color boards. I like the fact that they're all lit up. Doo-doo. The light up bracelets. Light up hats. Light up everything. Light up, oh, look at the bows. Oh, that's cute. The bows are back. Kitty cat ears. Flashing at the mouth. Yes. Rave and have fun at Mardi Gras. Entertainment was nice enough to lend them some of the outfits from previous year from Mardi Gras.
I would have it sideways.
Thank you, Entertainment, for spicing up the store.
It's the showroom.
That was the float that we just passed.
Backpacks, socks, tanks, Rocket Queen, headbands, ooh, reusable cups, Rocket King, Rocket Queen. Wave glitter, Mardi Gras party! Did our concept art, did our build, we painted it, it's ready to go to the showroom and show everybody! Woo! Ah! So over here on your right hand side we have a recreation of the riverboat, and then we got Space Gator! Woo! You know, Planet Mardi Gras. Space Gator! Space Gator! Space Gator! Space Gator! Alright. Oh, and once again, I gotta show you this. Who doesn't love glitter? They brought back food! Ooh, look how good. Oh, it looks so delicious. Cookie dough balls. Oh, shot glass, cupcake. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, shakers, shakers. Cake, and then you can make your own alcohol when you get home. Oh, look how pretty the fleur-de-lis. Love it, love it. We got nuts back. Wait, we have nuts. We got Earl's things all over the place. I wonder if that means Earl might be hiding somewhere in one of these rooms. I don't know. I don't see Earl. Do you see Earl? Ah. Louder, wider, spicier. Oh, we got a jacket. Jacket. Woo, yeah. Oh, I actually like that. Oh, look at that tank. That is cute. Oh, look at the riverboat. Look at the riverboat. And wait. Is that who I think it is? On the back of riverboat, we have found him. It's Earl. Oh, we found Earl. I knew he was here somewhere. NBC Comcast for believing in us. Oh, rocket shooting through. Oh, love it. That is the Universal Studio Tribute Store. What are you most excited about? Party starts this Saturday. First concert, Sugar Ray. See you there.